is in from which we can calculate the area of the triangle, that is Heron's formula. Okay, so this formula is based on the sides of the triangle. Okay, so in that case we don't need any specific height or base, we just need the sides of the triangle, and even if we do have those things we can easily calculate. Okay, now before starting that, let me give you a basics about the triangles and the angles as well. So obtuse angle is basically the angle which is greater than 120 degree, right? Or specifically you can say the 90 degree, and less than 180 degree. Next is area of the triangle, how to calculate it. So area of the triangle can be is basically nothing but half base into height. Is that clear? And one more thing, everyone, that this is area of equilateral triangle. How many of you know this formula? Have the root 3 by 4 into a square. Do you know this formula, everyone? Okay, Ryan knows this formula, root 3 by 4. A square is basically the area, sorry, the side square. Okay. So this is the formula. If the question is said this the triangle is equilateral triangle, then it's nothing but you just use this formula directly. Okay, root 3 by 4 a square. There is no need to calculate or use Pythagoras. If you know this, if you know that the area, the triangle is equilateral, then it can be used as well. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, जरा ये कैलकुलेट करो क्वेश्चन, जरा आज कैलकुलेट करके मुझे बताओ आंसर. A square and an equilateral triangle have equal perimeters. If the diagonals of the square is 12 root 2, find the area of the triangle. First of all, do let me know how to calculate the perimeter of a triangle.
The
Anyone?
perimeters by adding up all the sides.
Yes, adding up all the sides. Yeah, the perimeter of a triangle is nothing but a plus b plus c. Okay. And what is the area? What is the perimeter of square?
4 into side.
4 into side. Yes, that's great. Okay, do it fast, everyone. If the diagonal of the square is also given to you, that is 12 root 2 centimeter, then the area of the triangle would be.
Is it 36 root 3?
Is that Anam?
36 root 3.
Okay, 36 root 3. Okay, okay. Okay, let's check. Just give okay. Any answer by anyone else? Bharti, Afreen, Sara, Amiti, Rayan, answer. Okay, two answers by, let's check. Okay, Amiti. Okay, Bharti. Sara. One more answer by Sarah. ठीक है. Okay, sure. Let's see. The question is said the area of, we are going to assume that let's A is equals to uh, let's A be the side of the square. Okay, if A is the side of the square and the diagonal is given to you, you can calculate the side by using the Pythagoras theorem. So the side would be nothing but 12 centimeter. Okay, and if the question has said that the perimeter of the triangle and the square is same, that is, so the square would be, perimeter would be 48 centimeter. Is that clear? 12 into 4, that is 48 centimeter. And perimeter of the triangle would be 3x. So I'm going to assume that the side is x. Okay, 3x is equals to 48. So the x is coming out to be 16 centimeter. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the area would be 3 by 4 into x square. Okay. So 3 by 4 into x square is nothing but 4 by 4 will cancel. 16 4s are. Okay, sorry, that's my bad. It's 64. I mistakenly written. 16 4s are 64. That is root 3 centimeter square. Okay. So those who got 64 root 3, that is Amiti and Bharti. Both of you are right. Sara, आपकी तो calculations बच्चे बहुत अलग है ये. 3 root 6, that's not matching at all. Please check your calculations. Clear? Rayan, Afreen, Sara, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anam,
Sir.
I
Yes, sir.
I think you made a calculation mistakes. Please check it. Okay. So this is 64 root 3 centimeter square. This types of questions can come in your exams as well to check how much you know about the triangles. It's not, Heron's formula is not like only आपका एक ही formula के ऊपर based आ सकता है. It like they can also ask you from the triangle concept. ठीक है, चलो, that's good. Let's see. So what is Heron's formula basically? So Heron's formula is used to calculate the area of triangle if the height and base are not known. Okay. So first of all, the formula is written as under root of, sorry for the bad handwriting. Okay, this was from the last year. ठीक है, सो अब थोड़ी सी इंप्रूव कर ली है मैंने ऑन द राइटिंग पैड. ठीक है, so that is under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. ठीक है, what is s, what is a, what is b and what is c? I'm telling you right now. S is called semi perimeter. Semi perimeter means half the perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2, and a b c are nothing but the sides of the triangle that is given to you. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so would you like to try this question example number 1 of the NCERT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. Has joined. Irshad, chicken. The perimeter is given to you. That is 32. You need to okay. So one side is not given. You need to calculate it from the perimeter. Then you have to use the Heron's formula to get the area. Okay. Hello, Irshad. Assalamu alaikum. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Sure, that's good. Irshad, do solve this question. And you have joined 15 minutes late, huh? Please be on time from next time onwards. Okay, I got the answer by Afrin. Afrin, ये इसी का फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल का आंसर है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक. Okay, okay, Amithi. Okay, Rayan. Tara, answer. Okay, so answer would be, let's check the answer. That is coming out to be 8 root 30 centimeters square. Those who got the answer, that's very well. ठीक है, चलो. So ये क्वेश्चन देखो जरा, एनसीईआरटी का है. That's a good question as well. Do solve this question. ठीक है, so ये आपको इस टाइप का ट्रायंगुलर गार्डन मिला है. ठीक है, so let me check some other questions from the other book. Please do solve this question now. And this type of question can come in the case study type questions. ठीक है.
Okay.
How many of you have completely solved the NCERT with examples? How many of you have completely solved the NCERT with the examples along with the exercise? Anyone did?
I haven't done all the examples, but I have
Ah,
done all the exercises and a few examples.
okay. So few examples are not solved yet. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? No. So please and please solve the NCERT and its examples. If you do not solve it, ultimately the question paper is coming in from the NCERT. It's not going beyond beyond the NCERT. Okay. So it should be a priority that you should solve the NCERT, then first examples, then exercise questions. because most of the examples are very good. Okay, so that's why it's a request. Please do not skip any example or any questions from the NCERT of any chapter basically. First, do solve the NCERT. Then, if you want to do any other book like any RD, RS, Agarwal, it's up to you. It's completely up to you. You can follow any book. All the books are very good and have standard questions. But the first priority should be NCERT and the example, then exercise question. Right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
whenever you are starting the revision or the practicing, the NCERT should be a priority. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any answer for this question? A triangular park, this is an NCERT example too. Okay? So if you complete first complete your NCERT, then do any book, any sample paper, any PYQ. It's up to you completely. It's every like I got the first answer by Afreen. ठीक है Afreen? ठीक है. Anyone? Dhania. Only Afreen has given the answer so far. Anybody else? ठीक है, one more answer by Amity. ठीक है भारती. ठीक है. ठीक है Amity. Sara, Rayan, Anam, Rishad, answer. Only three answers, I think so. By Bharti, Amithi, and Afreen. Yeah, three answers so far. Okay, have a look. The question is said the sides are given to you. So you just need to calculate the semi-perimeter. So for the first perimeter, that would be 250, and the semi-perimeter would be 125. So now first minus A minus B and C. So 125 minus 20, that is 5, 120 minus 50, that is 75, and 125 minus 80, that is 45. And just need to substitute it into the formula, that is area of the garden would be. Okay. So when you will substitute it, so the area is coming out to be 375 root 15 square centimeter square, and the cost is coming out to be 494.
Sorry everyone, actually mobile, so I got disconnected. Am I audible? Everyone, am I audible? Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक. So the cost is coming out to 4940. ठीक है, चलो. So जरा ये calculate. The answer so far, anyone? Rayan, Bharti, Afreen, Anam.
I cannot
see this.
Irshad, are you saying something?
Sir, I cannot see the screen.
I didn't show the screen.
Just give me a second, everyone. I'm connecting it to another network that is stable here. Now, I hope अब ज़्यादा कोई problem नहीं होगी. Sorry, yeah. Any answer so far to
No, sir.
Yeah, I got the first answer by. Okay, Bharti. ठीक है. Anybody else?
one more answer. ठीक है रेहान, ठीक है अमित। इरशाद, सारा, अनम। Amit, yes, did you answer Amit? Yeah, yes, you are. Check. Okay. Okay. Anam, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
So, are you not able to answer in the chat, bache? Still? Anam?
Yes, sir.
So, just a second. Are you able to send the answer in the chat?
No, sir.
No. Okay. The answer would be, so now the perimeter, the ratios are given to you of this perimeter. Okay. So I'm going to assume that that is like x be the factor that is with multiplied. Okay. So 3x, 5x, and 7x. That is the total perimeter. Okay. So that is the x value is coming out to be 20. The factor with and that is x is equals to 20 meter. So now I'm going to get the value of a as 3x, that is 3 into 20 is 60. So similarly, ABC will be calculated. So perimeter is 2, semi-perimeter is p by 2, that is 150. Okay. So the area comes out to be 15 root 3 meter square. Clear all of you? Now do solve this question. Sarla Devi has a triangular park with the sides 240, 200, 360. Okay. This is 200, 240, and 360.
Am I audible, everyone?
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
am I audible? Just a second. Sure. Just a second. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, any answer, everyone? Okay, Irshad.
सॉरी बच्चों, आज ज़्यादा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है। मोबाइल डेटा बिल्कुल भी स्टेबल नहीं है, इसलिए बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा हूँ। आंसर जो आंसर नो आंसर। अनम, आफरीन, भारती, अमिति, Sarah, Irshad has given the answer, but that is not correct. Rayan,
So I think I'm doing
So
some
that
calculation mistakes.
ठीक है।
it's done. I'm doing.
चलो देखो क्वेश्चन को देखो। The question is saying that Sarla Devi has a triangular field. ठीक है। So this is a triangular field in which she is going to basically grow the wheat. And this is a complete triangle. These are two triangles basically. So in this triangle, she basically she divided the triangle into two halves. ठीक है। So one is used for potatoes, another one is used for onions. ठीक है।
So now let's calculate the area of the wheat in. ठीक है. So in that case, I'm going to assume that A is equals to 240 meter. Please verify your answers from the, just a second, 240 meter. B is equals to 200. And C is equals to 360. So this is the dimensions of the wheat field. ठीक है. So semi perimeter, that is S is equals to P by 2. That is 240 plus 360 plus 200. ठीक है. ठीक है. Now calculate the Heron's formula. First is basically your S minus A. That is S minus A is equals to 200 minus 40. That is coming out to be 160 meter. Second is so आज बच्चों माफ कर देना, बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मेरे मुझे बार बार डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है. ठीक है. So S minus B would be equals to 400 minus 200. That is coming out to be 200 meter. ठीक है. And S minus C कितना हुआ? Screen visible all of you?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. आज मोबाइल डेटा भी साथ नहीं दे रहा है, वाईफाई ने तो साथ छोड़ ही दिया. And that is 360, 40 meter. So area of triangle क्या है ये? ABC, area of triangle अंडर रूट ऑफ, मैं डायरेक्ट वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। सो दैट इज 400 इंटू एस माइनस ए कितना है आपका 160 इंटू 200 इंटू 40, ठीक है। सो यहाँ देखो, सो 400 में से बाहर आ जाएगा 20, ठीक है, इंटू और 16 4 640, सो 640 930, फिर बचेगा आपका 200, तो अल्टीमेटली आपका आना चाहिए 16,000 आना चाहिए बाहर। जस्ट अ सेकंड, ठीक है। सो इसको अगर मल्टीप्लाई करो बच्चों 160 इंटू 440, सो हो जाएगा 6400, 6400 का स्क्वायर रूट लोगे तो 80 आ जाएगा, ठीक है, इंटू 200 को क्या कर सकते हैं 100 ले सकते हैं, सॉरी 200 को अगर हमने किया तो 100 में से 10 बाहर आएगा, सो अंडर रूट में क्या बचा आपका √2। सो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो कितना आ रहा है 1600 इंटू 10, इट इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 16,000 √2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। यार करेक्ट आंसर। पहले वाला मुझे गलत लग रहा है, सेकंड वाला गलत लग रहा है मुझे, बाकी फर्स्ट वाला तो ठीक लग रहा है। जस्ट इज दैट क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? दैट इज मीटर स्क्वायर। अब ये देखो बच्चों, दैट ये जो ट्राइंगल है इसमें हमारे पास ईसी नहीं है, ठीक है। अगर मुझे अल्टीमेटली पोटैटोज या अनियंस का चाहिए तो दो ही साइड गिवन है, थर्ड साइड इज नॉट गिवन। सो व्हाट कैन आई डू, द क्वेश्चन इज सेड, जो ये एईसी जो ये बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल है इसमें से दो ट्राइंगल्स, इसको हाफ करके दो ट्राइंगल्स बनाए गए हैं। इट मींस दैट द एरिया ऑफ पोटैटो फील्ड वुड बी हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ द टोटल पोटैटो प्लस अनियन, यस और नो? सो फॉर द सेकंड केस दैट इज योर बी पार्ट, ठीक है। सो आप यू कैन राइट दिस थिंग एज एरिया ऑफ triangle AEC is equals to area of triangle CED is equals to half of area of triangle ACD, ठीक है। So how to calculate the area of triangle ACD? Just value would be A is coming out to be 240, B is coming out to be 320, and C is coming out to be 400, ठीक है। So semi perimeter would be S would be equals to P by 2, that is 240 plus 320 plus 400 divided by 2. So ये कितना हुआ 240 and 320, 500 560 560 and 900 and by 2, ठीक है। तो ये हो गया आपका 48 480 मीटर, ठीक है। अब यहाँ से S माइनस है, S माइनस बी कैलकुलेट करो आप। सो फर्स्ट पार्ट वुड बी 480 minus A is your 240 meter, -480 minus 320 कितना हो जाएगा ये 160 मीटर, ठीक है। थर्ड इज S minus C, that is 480 minus 400, that is 80 meter. ठीक है, अब just substitute the value over here. So area of AEC is equals to half ठीक है. I'm going to substitute the values directly. So 480 into 240 into 160 into 80. ठीक है. So just factorize it so that we can take the things common out. ठीक है, 480 को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ, 240 into 2. ठीक है, so 240 into 240 into 160 into 160, क्योंकि इसमें से जो 240 बच रहा है वो इसको मैंने इससे 80 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. that's why I'm getting 160. is that clear all of you? तो बाहर आ जाएगा आपका स्क्वायर रूट से 240 into 160 मीटर स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू बाय 2 भी आएगा, बाय 2. ठीक है, बाय 2. so that is 80. so 240 into 80 would be equals to 19,200 meter square. So the area required to grow the potato is 19,200 meters square, and same area is required to grow the onions as well. Is that clear to all of you? Please do let me know, बच्चों.
Yes, sir.
किसी को कोई डाउट अब तक?